So this is my 2009 GTR right here. Y'all gotta repair the door because the door came off because it fell off the shelf. Air vents on the hood. There you go. Try to open up this motor hood. There's the engine. Headlights are well detailed. Interior. You can see it's kind of dark in there. The steering wheel. Trunk does not open because this is a mace door. That is the rear of it. 2 tailpipes on each side, and license plate says Nissan. Tail lights are painted in, GTR logo right there. And it says Skyline, 2009 Skyline. These are the wheels that they put on here. Gonna paint those black. There's the front of it. Front. There's the roof of it. Stick I found in a Cracker Jack toy box. Back windshield, you can see 2 seats in there, speakers, whatnot. Side window. So, yeah. This is a door repair on a 2009 GTR Skyline.